Well, hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a little haul that I did over at Bases Loaded Lacquer. Now, I've already got manicures on, so I will swatch these on my little swatch wheel here. And these are with the other Bases Loaded lacquers, the last ones I bought. So, these celebrate Tara's birthday, some of them, and some of them are just kind of special, and then some of them are, you know, just, I don't know, I don't know what this one came from, but it doesn't really matter. If they're beautiful, I want them. So I wanted to get these swatched while they're still going to be available on her website. If you see something you like, you might want to hop over there and check it out. So we're just going to hop right in because I do have 7 of them to talk about. We've got Bases Loaded Lacquer, always has a sticker, perfectly lined up with flipping over the bottle and the name. This one is Girl Boss. Yes. These next 2 I know are part of her birthday collection for this year, and it's Happy Born Day. Another gorgeous polish. Next up we've got Konfetti Kakes. Is that not adorable? The polish, the name, all of it. Loving it. Okay, and now we're going to get on to the Guacamole series. I don't know what the name of the collection really is, but this one's called Extra Guac. Beautiful spring green. That's going to work so great for spring manicures. This next one we have is called Guacamole Day 1. Look at all those cool glitters in there. And then if you've got guacamole on day 1, you need a guacamole day 2, which is this one. And just so you can see them side by side. Isn't that the truth? It's the truth. And then finally we've got this topper, and you might can build this one up. It's called Guacamole Seasonings. And I love this. I just think this is just too cool. So I'm going to get my swatch wheel lined up here, and we're going to swatch these. Alrighty, I hope that's... No, it's still fuzzy, and there we go. Alright, we're going to start off with Girl Boss. Oh, wow. There's so much going on in that. So much shimmer. All different colors of it. Oh, and I know y'all can't see it very good. Next is Happy Born Day. Oh, this is going to be pretty, I can already tell. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's so pretty. Got some definite gold shimmer and some little bit flecks in it. And we have Konfetti Kakes. Now, this one's spring in a bottle right here. Love this. Oh, that shimmer is amazing. I know y'all probably can't see it like I can. Oh, stunning. We'll try to get some good swatch photos of these. And then next up we've got this beautiful cream called Extra Guac. Oh, yeah. And, of course, an amazing formula. Oh, it's showing up so much more yellow on camera. Oh. And here we go with Guacamole Day 1. Oh, it's so fun. Alright, we're going to leave it at that. Come back for another coat. And then Guacamole Day 2. It's like an army green. Oh, I love it though. Y'all know. Girl's a junkie. Alright, and this one is the Guacamole Seasoning. Oh, it's kind of got a tinted... Either that or it's just so full of stuff it almost has a tinted base. Oh, but I'm so happy with this one. Ooh-wee. Alright, I'm going to head back to the beginning. Alright, so Girl Boss. like I said, I wanted to give you guys a chance to go and snatch these if you see something you really, really like. Because, you know, indies don't keep things around forever. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, glitter me-tastic. And then, Happy Born Day. I do also have a discount code for Bases Loaded Lacquer. It'll be down in the description box, along with a link to her website. Oh, that's so pretty. The camera can't even focus. There we go. And then Konfetti Cupcakes. Oh, I can't wait to wear that. That might have to be my Easter manicure right there. Oh, that's so pretty. Love it. It's got some shimmer in it too. It's purple and pink shimmer, or maybe even copper in there. Oh my gosh. It's stunning. And then here we go with extra guac. Oh yes. Oh, that's so pretty. I know a lot of people's not into that, but I love it. And then here we go with Guacamole Day 1. Let's see if I can get that to behave. Here we go. There we go. I got a couple of those little glitters. I wanted to show y'all more of what was in that bottle. Guacamole Day 1. And we're going to do some Guacamole Day 2. Some of my glitters are laying on the side of the bottle from shipping, so we're going to have to run those through the shaker. I should have done it before this video, but you know, girl was in a hurry, all excited. See, I love that. I know that's not everybody's cup of tea or cupcake or whatever, but I love it because it's unusual. That's pretty. Okay, and lastly we've got the Guacamole Seasonings. Oh, pretty, 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 pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. And since I have this is flashing some leather from one of my last swatching videos. I'm just going to go ahead and put some of this on there. Oh, goodness. Look at that. That is so pretty. Alrighty, well, I'm going to top coat these and take some swatch photos and let y'all see what they look like done. So there you have it, my latest haul. Girl Boss, Happy Born Day, Konfetti Cakes. Remember, everything's in the description box. Extra guac, Guacamole Day 1, Guacamole Day 2, Guacamole Seasonings, and then I did seasonings over some other polishes. So there you go. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.